Hey, business owners, we are back and we are actually going to take you through the thank you page. Now, we haven't created our thank you page yet, but we're going to go ahead and do that. And then that is going to be pretty much the end of the story when it comes to creating your lead generation system. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go on to pages, and then we're going to say add new page. Okay, and then we're going to say lead generation thank you page. Okay, and actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to do this. I'm going to not save this. We're going to go to all pages. I don't know why I didn't think about this before, but we're going to go to all pages. So just disregard what I just said. We're going to go to drafts because I haven't actually published any of these yet. So we are going to go to our lead generation opt-in landing page. And what we're going to do is we're going to clone this page, okay? So we're just going to click on that clone button. And we are going to say, we're going to call this thank you lead generation opt-in, okay? And we can just keep the rest of that on there. We're going to save draft. And they are really like trying to bug me about this subscription expiring. I got the message. Thank you very much. Okay, so now that this has been saved, we're going to launch Thrive Architect. And that's going to really take a lot of the hard work out of this. So this is all we did was just copy our original landing page. And the reason I did it this way is because we want to keep our formatting, all the formatting needs to be consistent throughout your lead generation system. People need to, anyone who is subscribing and going through the process of getting their confirmation and all of that, they need to be clear that they are in the right place, that they're not clicking in the wrong place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to leave our lead generation lead magnet as it is, and then we're going to just say, we'll say thank you for signing up, exclamation point. And then we're going to say, I don't know, get your free planning planner here. And then we're going to say, click the button below to get your planner. Okay, and then we're going to get rid of this opt-in form. And we're going to go over here to our elements bar, and we're just going to click on button. And we're going to put that button right here, and we're going to drop it. Okay, so then now we're just going to say download your free planner. Now you have other options with this as well. If you wanted to let them know that their planner is on the way to their inbox, you could say that. And there are a lot of different reasons why you might want to just let them get their planner from an email. It kind of helps to cut down on people who want to share the link to the thank you page, because when they share the link to the thank you page with their friends and their family and all of that, then that enables them to get your planner without having to sign up. So to minimize that, I normally just say something like, your free planner is on its way to your inbox. And then in my email welcome series, I will, include a link to get the download. But you can do it however you would like. So now we've got our download. Now we need to create a link to the download. So let's see, I think this is called the ultimate Ultimate Printer. Oh, that's not it. Wait a minute, I'll find it. Ultimate Printable Business. I believe this is it right here. No, that's not it. Okay, I'm going to pause for a moment and I'm going to get the link to this planner and I will be right back. And then we're just going to plop that in there and I'll be right back. Just 1 second. Okay, so now I'm back. But what I'm going to do is instead of just plopping that in here, that link, I'm just going to, we're just going to pretend that we put it in there. And then, because I am not going to keep fooling around trying to figure out where that, where the link is. I'll find that later and then I'll add it to this button. So now we're done with that. People can, anyone who subscribes can download their free planner. And so now we're going to take out some of these things that we added earlier. So we're going to take out this element, this content box. We're going to take that out. We're going to remove the business links that we have here. And here's some more stuff that we're going to get rid of. We're going to just get rid of this whole background section. Okay, so now you can leave your, and we can get rid of this other opt-in form. We can put a little message here that says, you know, thank you for signing up. And then that is pretty much the end of it because you are going to set up, now the next video that we're going to do is just going to walk you through some of the things you might think about when you set up your email welcome series. So in addition to getting the planner, you can also tell people, you could even tell them something like, check your inbox for additional tips and resources. Okay, so let me just make this a little bit smaller so that all of this kind of fits. There we go. Okay, so then we'll be sending you a welcome. Look for, let's see, look for a welcome series that provides additional information and resources you can use to organize your business. And then we're going to make this a little bit larger, the font just a little larger. Okay, so then that kind of manages their expectation. They know that they need to look for a an email from you, and you can do a welcome series that welcomes them into your community. You can give them a lot of the different resources. So I would recommend keeping your email series, like each email that you send out, I would recommend keeping it short, sweet, and to the point. But you can test out different things and figure out what works best for your particular audience. But that is pretty much it. This is your thank you page. So what we're going to do is we're going to save this. And we are going to, now we're going to just go ahead and we're going to go back and test all of this out. So we want to test this out to make sure that everything works the way that it's supposed to. So the next video is going to just kind of real quickly take you through testing this out, making sure that all the pages work the way that they should, and then we'll show you the email series and the welcome email series, and then that'll be it. And that's pretty much it for your lead generation system. Okay, so I'm going to close this out and I will see you on the next video.